we have the display word, which is underscores, and it's joined. So then if there is no underscores displayed, that means the player had won because they guessed the word. If the remaining attempts is 0, the player loses. And then we have the guessed section, and if the letter is already guessed, it will say it's already guessed. And then when you have a new input, it adds it to the guessed list. And then it shows you feedback if you're correct or wrong. So here is the canvas, and these are the measurements. And then this is the end. So this starts the game and makes it running. Okay, so this is how the algorithm. So let's try playing it. Okay. So it should pop up a new window. Okay, so I'm gonna enter a word. Say. Okay, and then you can change the color. Like if you want the canvas to be a different color, you can change self.canvas. And so let's say I enter the word A. It's wrong, and then it draws a circle. And then I can enter the word O. It shows it. And these are the underscores. And remember, if there's no more underscores, you win. Or if the attempts left is 0, you lose. So let's say P. Okay. So okay. So maybe the word is Python, and player 2 wins. And then when you click the next round button, it swaps roles, and the next player, the person who is guessing, enters a word now. So there. Okay, so now for my example, I'm going to show you what happens